Hello friends, I'm drawing the characters from the Inside Out movie. Come and join me. First, let's draw sadness. Sadness feels blue and cries sometimes, but it's okay to be sad. What makes you feel better when you're sad? Great! Then, I'm drawing joy. Joy loves to spread happiness everywhere. Can you spread happiness with a big smile? Wonderful! Let's draw disgust. Disgust doesn't like yucky things and helps us make good choices. What food do you think is yucky? Cool! Next, I'm drawing fear. Fear helps keep us safe by warning us of danger. What makes you feel safe? Terrific! Let's draw anger. Anger gets really mad and has fire on his head. What do you do when you feel angry? We're ready. Let's color them together. Wow! They are all amazing! We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.